Mumbai's air quality has been a topic of intense discussion recently, with the city grappling with rising pollution levels. While some experts voice concerns about the worsening air quality, an official report claims otherwise. According to the report, Mumbai's air quality has actually improved over the past 5 years. Despite this, many remain skeptical, questioning the accuracy of these findings. Mumbai's AQI has been the talk of the town. Over the past 5 years, official reports claim that Mumbai's air quality has improved, but some experts remain skeptical. The Waatavaran Foundation, an NGO, reports a significant reduction in pollution, with the number of good and satisfactory air quality days rising by 24 percentage points from 36% in winter 2020 to 2021 to 60% in 2024 to 2025. The number of good air quality days has doubled from 9% to 18%, with poor air quality days falling from 18% to 7% and very poor days from 14% to just 2%. Mohsin Khan Pathan, a senior project associate of Waatavaran Foundation, says, "The data presents an encouraging trend in our air quality parameters. We have observed a significant drop in pollution levels thanks to sustained efforts in air quality management, stricter regulations, and growing awareness. While it's crucial to acknowledge progress, we must also address the concerns of people who still suffer from poor air quality. The improvement is much less as compared to funds released and utilized in the state under NCAP and other programs for air pollution mitigation efforts. There is much more to be done on this." Despite the positive trends, some experts question the data. They argue that pollution levels remain dangerously high in certain areas of Mumbai and the official numbers might overlook the worst hit zones. They also contend that the data collection process can be misleading. Sumaira Abdulali, an environmental activist and convener of the Awaaz Foundation, criticized the air quality index as an imperfect metric. The AQI, which is a mixture of several pollutants, may indicate good or satisfactory levels. But what about PM 2.5 levels? Throughout January, PM 2.5 levels consistently exceed CPCB's 60 micrograms per cubic meter. I feel the AQI itself is somewhat misleading as a metric. It remains good until it crosses 100, but that does not necessarily reflect the true air quality, especially when PM 2.5, the most damaging to human health, crosses safe limits of 60 micrograms per cubic meter. Dr. Lancelot Pinto, a pulmonologist, expressed skepticism about the reported improvements. He said, "We continuously see patients who are very sick during winter. People who go outdoors for walks or runs have been experiencing prolonged cough, respiratory discomfort, and upper respiratory tract issues. In fact, this is the third consecutive year that the city has faced particularly poor air quality in winter. If PM 2.5 levels are improving, hypothetically, PM 10 levels might be rising due to the construction activities. A lot still needs to be done for effective mitigation." An analysis of CPCB data reveals that the improvement in air quality is uneven across Mumbai. Areas near construction zones, traffic-heavy corridors, and industrial belts still face high pollutant levels. While official reports suggest progress, it is clear that Mumbai's air quality still requires significant attention and further action. Despite reported improvements, experts agree that Mumbai's air quality remains a serious concern. While the data shows progress, many areas still face dangerously high pollution levels. Moving forward, greater transparency in data monitoring and a focus on addressing pollution sources like construction, vehicle emissions, and industry are crucial. Public health efforts must be supported by stronger regulations and urban planning reforms. While progress has been made, much more is needed to truly improve Mumbai's air quality.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.